The biggest challenge I was having before I discovered Active Life was I was scaling a lot in my CrossFit workouts. Scaling a lot and just being in pain and pushing through pain when I probably shouldn't have. And that led to a ruptured Achilles. I've been able to do the CrossFit Open. The first year I did the CrossFit Open was 2016, and I could not make it through because of back pain. So this is the first Open that I've actually, knock on wood, I had to scale it, but I haven't had an injury. And I'm feeling great. So one more week to go. They just released the workout today. It looks like a doozy, but we'll see how it goes. But it's been amazing to get through it with no pain at all and not having to wear a back brace either. So I dealt after my ruptured hernia. I dealt with about 10 years of back pain, and knock on wood, I haven't had any since coming back from this Achilles rupture. Give it a try. What's the best money I've ever spent? Whether you're a coach, I don't care what you're coaching, going through that assessment workshop is one of the best things I've ever done. I'm not gonna lie, I got more out of that than I did my level one. And I've also been a trainer since my early 20s. And I got so much that I've used for my clients out of your guys' workshop. And then from the active life side, and active for life, it has just been amazing how quickly it worked. And I had tried so many other different programs and working with physical therapists. And when coming back from my Achilles rupture, I kept telling them, I'm like, I swear, my ankle doesn't feel right. I'm on the rower. It just doesn't feel like it bend. And we do the dorsiflexion test, and I was lacking severely. And they're telling me to start running in a couple weeks. Luckily, I met you guys and we went a different route. But it's just amazing. You're going to a physical therapist and you think they know everything, and they definitely do not.